not your auntie's crochet. Do this look like a low maintenance hairstyle to you? That's why it's giving Shaka Khan. Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan. Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have been on my channel before, you know I actually have personal beef with crochet. I have in the past on camera said I hated the way crochet looked, but I wasn't talking about this crochet. The girls have officially revamped crochet and they are now using human hair. So let's get into it. And if you're already convinced that you want to try human hair crochet braids and you just want the hair details, let me go ahead and give it to you, okay? So the hair that I'm currently rocking is from Y Wigs. It is their kinky curly human hair crochet braids. I ordered it in the length 20 inches and I ordered 2.5 packs of hair. Now it's a little confusing the way that they list their hair on their website. Each pack of hair has 2 bundles in it. So I ordered 2.5 packs, which means I received a total of 5 bundles. Now of those 5 bundles, I currently have 4 of them installed in my head. That's why it's giving Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan, Shaka Khan. Should you order 2.5 packs? Should you install 4 bundles on your head? Absolutely not. I'll keep it real with you. Me personally, I feel like this is way too much hair on my head right now. I don't think you need 2.5 packs. I think at max you need 2 packs and you really don't even need that, okay? If I could do this all over again, I would have only installed 3 bundles of hair in my head. I bought this hair with my own money, okay? Don't play with me. But if you know that you want to get this hair, I do have a discount code. Go ahead and use the code because the hair is expensive. I spent a grand whopping total of $300. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is how each bundle of hair comes. This is what the hair texture is giving. So something super different about human hair crochet is that it has this little piece of like thread in between the actual strands of hair. All of the hair came exactly like this. It was this natural 1B color. One of the bundles is a straight virgin bundle. It's black from roots to tips. And the rest of the bundles have different variations of colors in them. Tell me why I filmed me bleaching this hair, dyeing this hair, installing this hair, and then I accidentally deleted it, y'all. But spoiler alert, I will be doing this hairstyle again, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I will have to go ahead and show y'all how the install works, okay? Another super important thing about my install is that I decided to do the crochet flip over method, which basically means I have straight backs in my head with the exception of one cornrow that is horizontal, but I did this braid horizontal because I wanted to be able to really like do a flip over. I could flip it to this side and wear it like this. So yeah, y'all, those are kind of the details of my install. The last thing y'all need to know about this install is I do have leave out in the very front of my head. I have like a centimeter worth of leave out, so about this much of my edges are out. Leave out is always going to be a little bit of a hassle. Now thankfully this hair matches my natural hair texture very well. Hey y'all, this is Editing Jayla here. In order to blend my leave out, I just started doing 2-strand twists. At first I was doing a wash and go on my leave out and kind of blending it that way, but the difference in lengths is a bit obvious. So then I just started taking a piece of the crochet hair, a piece of my leave out, and twisting them together, and I feel like that gave me the best blending situation. I've told y'all about the hair, I told y'all about the install, and now these are the things you absolutely must know before you get this hairstyle installed or before you install it yourself. If not, you are in for a whirlwind, baby. Do this look like a low maintenance hairstyle to you? Cause it's not. This hair is literally the same texture as my natural hair, and it felt like caring for my natural hair. So you have to have a consistent moisture routine or else you are going to be dealing with tangles galore. Go ahead and get the conditioner, get the dimming brush, and get to work. I honestly recommend you touching this hair every couple of days, going in with a spray bottle with water, going in with some moisturizing product, and either finger detangling or detangling with a brush. because again, this is kinky curly hair. It is naturally prone to tangling, and because I colored the hair, it is even drier than it would have been before. So it needs extra moisture and extra TLC, or it's gonna be extra tangled. Also, I wanted to let y'all know the bleach did loosen the curls. The hair that you're seeing right now, honestly, the texture would have been a little bit tighter. Now, mind you, the hair in the back is mostly like the completely black hair that I didn't color at all. So there are some pieces in my hair that are the natural texture, and they still have lots and lots of shrinkage to those pieces, but I could definitely tell a difference between the hair that had been chemically processed and the hair that was its natural texture. Now, the biggest question after how do you install the hair is, how do you take out the hair, and is the hair reusable? And guess what? I want to know that exact same thing. I will be recording myself taking this hair out of my head. Okay, so as y'all can see, all this hair in the front is my leave out, my natural hair. I feel like if I'm able to just take out the braids, the crochet pieces should fall out, theoretically. Now, what I'm reaching for back here is the end of my braid.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a...
Alright, y'all, so I have the end of one braid here. As you can see, this braid has all of this hair on it. I'm gonna see if I'm able to unravel the braid and get the hair to fall out that way.
When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated.
Alright, y'all, I feel like this process is going to be slightly long and tedious, but overall pretty straightforward. So I feel comfortable enough to do this in front of the TV. Let's go ahead and get that popping.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing.
Let me know if you are gonna hop on the human hair crochet trend in the comment section below. I'm loving it. It's one of my favorite protective styles. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.